Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit the footer on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right here you can create a new site. Also, right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the websites that you have on Wix. So right now, in order to edit a site, just hover your mouse over it, and then you're going to find the option to select and edit the site. Go ahead and click on it, and then wait for your dashboard to load. And after that, once you're here, as you can see, guys, this is how the dashboard looks like. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on it. And then it will take you to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. So this is basically going to be the editor for your Wix website. And once the page has loaded, this is how it will look like. So right here, as you can see, guys, you can edit all of the sections. Here you're going to find the header and so on. And if you scroll down, you're going to find the footer right here. So in order to edit it, it's pretty simple. Just click on it and then you can literally edit anything here. As you can see, guys, just click on it and then you can either move it, edit it. And also you're going to find the quick edit option right here. If you click on it, here in this menu, as you can see, guys, you can change paragraphs right here. You're going to also find the settings right here. If you click right here and click on the settings, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to freeze your footer. So right now I'm going to go back like this and then go back to the footer. If you click right here on these three dots, you can change the footer design and so on. For example, if you click right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these options. And once you finish editing your website, you can go here to the top, click on save or to publish to go live. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.